Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. President Donald Trump's personal attorney Michael Cohen has been under criminal investigation for months, largely centering around his business dealings, federal prosecutors in New York said in court documents obtained by ABC News. Today, prosecutors acknowledged publicly for the first time Friday that they seized records this week from Cohen. The revelation came as Cohen and Trump sought a court order barring federal prosecutors from accessing the records they took during raids on his home and office Monday morning. Lawyers for Cohen and Trump, neither of whom was present in court, argue that at least some of the records are subject to attorney-client privilege and should not be viewed by prosecutors until they, or an independent third party appointed by the court, have a chance to review the material. Interested in Donald Trump? Add Donald Trump as an interest to stay up to date on the latest Donald Trump news, video, and analysis from ABC News. Donald Trump add interest in raid on Trump lawyer, Feds sought records from deals with women, media, and campaign. Sources Start Here podcast. We called Cohen. Trump appointed U.S. attorney recused from Michael Cohen investigation. Cohen applied Thursday evening for an opportunity to take the first cut at determining whether the documents are privileged or relevant to the investigation, Judge Kimball Wood said. Both parties recognize the search of an attorney's devices and offices are subject to special consideration. A hearing Friday in Manhattan federal court was put on hold until Monday after an attorney for Trump intervened and requested additional time. He has an acute interest in these proceedings, said Joanna Hendon, an attorney for the president who said she was hired Wednesday night. Hendon noted the exceptional nature of her client and expressed concern about the prosecutor's internal team that separates evidence that is privileged from evidence that is available for prosecutors to view. "We don't need to rush," Hendon said. "There is an appearance of fairness problem. A taint team is a group of people who help determine what falls under attorney-client privilege and should not be shared with investigators. It's standard when searching a lawyer's office. The government's use of a filter team appropriately protects applicable privileges," the court documents obtained by ABC News state. Monday's search was broader than previously reported. In addition to Cohen's home and office, there were court-authorized searches of a safety deposit box and 2 cell phones. Cohen is being investigated for criminal conduct that largely centers on his personal business dealings, according to court documents. The federal prosecutor's office has already obtained search warrants covered until this point on multiple different email accounts maintained by Cohen, and has conducted a privileged review of the materials obtained pursuant to those warrants, the court documents state. That review, prosecutors said, showed that Cohen is in fact performing little to no legal work and that 0 emails were exchanged with President Trump. Cohen has not been charged with anything. He has not responded to news he is under investigation, declining to comment when contacted by ABC News. Justin Lane/EPA via Shutterstock attorney Michael Cohen walks from his hotel to his apartment in New York, April 12, 2018. Moore and Thomas McKay, one of the prosecutors handling the case, said the president's attorney-client privileges are no different than anyone else's. He accused the president and Cohen of delay tactics but promised prosecutors would not view any of the seized material until the judge makes her ruling following the hearing on Monday.